why leaves change color. So, as somebody who loves biology, something that I wanted to share with you guys was really why leaves do change color in the fall, and not just the third grade, like, oh, leaves change color, it's so pretty, but the biological process behind why that happens, because it's something that I think is awesome and I like to share with people. So first, when in the fall, when temperatures really start to drop and there's less light in a day, trees can actually recognize that, and they will immediately start to recognize that they need to store up nutrients for the winter, because there's not going to be enough light for them to photosynthesize and kind of get the nutrients that they need. So what they do is they start to extract all the nutrients from their leaves. And so it's really all about the leaves. And the leaves are the place on the tree where photosynthesis occurs. And this is the process by which leaves will take in carbon dioxide and make oxygen and glucose, and that's how the trees grow. So obviously in the winter, when there's no leaves, trees can't grow, so they need to kind of take in all the nutrients that they can. And so the chemical that allows photosynthesis to occur is chlorophyll. And chlorophyll is in every leaf of every tree, and it is why we see green. Chlorophyll is a green chemical, and that's why we can see it. And so, a little more in depth about why we can see it is chlorophyll will reflect back in between the 350 to 450 and then 650 to 750. Those wavelengths of light, and so what's in between there is the green, and that's why we can see it. So when photosynthesis stops and chlorophyll is no longer produced, we no longer are seeing green. And so what most people don't know is that there are other color pigments that are always present in leaves, and so when chlorophyll is no longer being produced, we can start to actually see those wavelengths of light being reflected back to us in the reds and the oranges and the yellows. And so, the changing of the colors is something that people are all able to enjoy all over New England in a fun industry called leaf peeping. And, it's all over New England. And I like stuff like that.